Hello guys, I am representative from my group. We would like to say that actually we have a project that we hope by doing this project we can think innovatively, creatively, and etc. And the important thing is we have to influence in our community development.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, dah, alhamdulillah ya. Akhirnya kami di sini sampai. Terus jumpa kalian semuanya. Mukanya bahagia, sehat semuanya. Alhamdulillah.
Okay guys, actually today is our event. Today is our day because we have a big event that we never do before, like you can see that. And actually this place take in Kaju and exactly located in Kride Aceh area.
Purpose of the inspiring movie is first is to introduce the teaching of Prophet Muhammad and the Islamic value to the children, and the second is to analyze the children listening skills for foreign language.
And hope what we do here can help them to understand the new value of Islamic religion. Because in this movie we learn a lot of things. How Prophet struggled really hard to spread Islamic truth.
We must know the history about our Prophet Muhammad SAW. Why? Because our Prophet is the great people and the struggle people when they share Islamic religion.
Tadi pesan-pesannya apa ada? Bagi siapa yang bisa menjawab pertanyaan dapat hadiah. Tadi kakak pertama udah bilang kan, yang jawab pertanyaan dapat hadiah kan, makanya nonton betul. Sekarang kakak mau tanya, siapa yang azan
Yes.